Hello, my name is Ramon. Me and my team members had been assigned a task to clone a website which is potter.in. My team members are Abhishek, Avinash, Tushar, Vivek, and Krishna. So, this platform addresses inefficiencies in the last mile logistics sector and transforms the way goods are transported around cities. The tech stack which we have used to build this site includes HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now, this is our landing page and it will be explained by Avinash. Over to you, Avinash.
Thank you, Raymond. To make the landing page dynamic, we have used advanced JavaScript and JavaScript DOM. So here you can see we have added a slider and a search engine box to transport intra-city good. To transport intra-city good, we have to fill the pickup and drop off address of that city and your phone number, your name, and the requirement details. Once you click the get estimate button, you will get a call from our agent for further procedure, and you will be directed to the fair estimate page on which you will see pickup and drop off location and also a slider functionality. So from here Vivek will continue. Over to you, Vivek.
Thank you, Avinash. So once you click on Packers and Movers option, you will land on Packers and Movers page. At top, you can see a form. When you fill it and click on Proceed, a new pop-up will appear which show different type of houses. So based on your house type, you have to select one of them. So let's say I selected one RK. So after that, you just have to click on Get Estimate button. After clicking it, a new pop-up will appear which show different type of services that are available. So you have to click on Proceed. So after that, a code pop-up will appear in which you can see all your order details. After confirming it, you just have to click on request callback. So after clicking on request callback, your callback request has been made and the agent will connect you within few hours. So at the middle part, under the customer's experience section, we have implemented a sliding functionality. So when you click on the arrow button on your keyboard, you can see the images are sliding to its left. So at the bottom part, we have general FAQ section. When you click on any of the question, you can see its answer below its the question. So that's all from Packers and Movers side. So from here onwards, I would like to invite Abhishek to talk about Drive Partner. So Abhishek, over to you.
Thanks, Vivek. So next part will be covered by me, that is Drive Partner. So once you click on this icon, you will land into a different web page. As you can see at the right part of this particular web page, there is a form attached to it. Once you put out all the details over there, you can successfully register to the Drive Partners of this particular website. Apart from that, on scrolling down, you can see there are different styles have been created using just basic CSS and HTML. And at the bottom part of this web page, you can see there are some FAQ questions regarding this particular website. So that's it from my side. Next part will be covered by Krishna. So over to you, Krishna.
Thank you, Abhishek. Now I will explain the for enterprise page. As we click on a for enterprise page, you will see the on the right side you have we have given you a form. So the after filling the form with the city name and all that things, just we have to click request callback. So after clicking it, the pop-up will come. So one of our agent will contact you soon. And in the below, you will see the basic. We have used basic designing by HTML and CSS. And this is it for this page. So now I will hand it over to Tushar.
Thank you, Krishna. Now here I have to come to the end of the projects on the topic is Potter.in. It was a wonderful and learning experience for me and my teams working on these projects. I hope our projects will be interesting and maybe even knowledgeable. We are open to questions and your feedback. Thank you.